Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix QuickBooks invoice errors step by step clearly. Open QuickBooks and navigate to the invoice section. Identify the invoice that contains the error. Open the invoice to review its details. Check for any obvious mistakes, such as incorrect customer names or inaccurate amounts. Look for missing fields that QuickBooks requires, like terms or due dates. Verify that the date on the invoice is correct and in the appropriate format. If you find an incorrect item, click on it and select the appropriate option from the drop-down menu. Ensure that the products or services listed match what was delivered or provided. Review the tax calculations on the invoice to confirm they are accurate. If you notice any discrepancies in the pricing, update those details accordingly. Should the error persist, try creating a new invoice using the same information to see if the problem replicates. If the issue continues, consider running the QuickBooks Verify and Rebuild tool. Access the File menu and choose Utilities. Select Verify Data to check for any data integrity issues. After the verification process, if issues are found, return to the Utilities menu and select Rebuild Data. Follow the prompts to complete the rebuilding process. Once the rebuild is finished, reopen the invoice to check if the error has been resolved. If you're still experiencing problems, consult the QuickBooks support documentation for further troubleshooting steps. Consider reaching out to QuickBooks customer support for additional assistance if needed. Document any errors for future reference or to provide to support. Keep your software updated to minimize the occurrence of such errors in the future. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.